Welcome to this instructional video on scheduling your ProctorU exam and connecting with your ProctorU invigilator. In order to do this, you'll have to go to your CIPFA assessment page first. You must schedule your exam at least 72 hours before the day of your exam. Before you start, we would ask you to use the Check Your System Requirements button to ensure that your computer is compatible with the system. From here, you can also click the Test ProctorU Connection button and confirm that your computer meets other requirements. Please note that you must use Google Chrome to log into this system. Please log in with your credentials. Your username for logging in is usually your CIPFA student number. Once you have logged in, you need to click on your Live Exams section. And in Live Exams, you should find the exam you've been registered to take. If you are registered for remote invigilation, you will also be allocated the CIPFA Invigilation System Test. Please ensure you schedule and take your invigilated system test well in advance of your actual exam. This is important to test your equipment and ensure your computer is compatible with the ProctorU systems. To schedule the exam with ProctorU, you can click the owl icon. If this is your first time using ProctorU, you will need to accept the different terms and conditions. You can now select your exam and choose a time slot for it. Your exam is now scheduled. On the day of your exam, you will need to log in and navigate back to your list of exams. You can now click the owl icon to start your session. Please wait while you are connected to the next available invigilator. If you experience any issues, you should click on the Test Your Equipment button to check that everything is functioning. As part of this process, you may receive a message asking you to install a browser plugin. If you do, please do this as shown. When your scheduled slot is valid, you can start your session. Once you are connected to your invigilator, please do not close the chat box that will pop up on the left hand side. Your invigilator will ask you to show photographic ID to the webcam and to show your exam room. You will also need to hand over control of your screen to the invigilator before the start of the exam. Your invigilator will then unlock your exam. When this is done, you will need to click the Start Test button on the bottom left of your page, and the exam time clock will begin. Good luck.